A stone wall can be a really wonderful feature in any landscape or any garden. It's natural, it ties to the natural environment. It doesn't look quite as rigid or urban as some of our concrete walls, but it comes with some interesting challenges, especially if that wall happens to be in a situation where you have great wildlife habitat. In this instance, we have a prairie. We're going to have prairie plants and native plants behind this new wall. The wall itself has all sorts of places where those voles and those ground squirrels and those snakes can wander through, come through the wall, decide that what they really want to do is they want to go wandering across the street into our backyard farmer garden and then start nibbling away at all our good plants. So pay attention to what critters you're going to potentially see. Be ready to either do what our great critter creature tells you to do about keeping them where they belong, or remember that we are borrowing that space from nature.